Here we are doing an unboxing video of the Lithonia lighting. It has two LED, and the reason I'm doing this is I went through YouTube and I couldn't really find anything about this light and why it was so expensive. I figured I'd pick it up, and it's probably the best of the best. Picked it up from Amazon, and let's see how this is. I just got it. We're gonna unbox this little baby. See what's included inside. I guess all the mounting brackets are here. And there's a cardboard. So there is nothing else in here. I will do a video of how bright this guy is after it is installed, actually. So there is, I guess, two wires here. I'm not going to be the one to install this. I'm not an installer, but I'll get it done, actually, by someone. But that's my dog. This is basically made of glass. And there should be two of them. So this is what it would look like once installed. This goes to the bottom and this is to the top. It wouldn't install like this. No, it actually would install like this. It would be nice if this could swivel a little bit left and right. I'm not sure if you can see this. So basically, if this is installed, I can't move this to the right anymore. Basically, it's fixed. So I'm not sure if that's a positive or a negative. Oh, it does go this way. Let me move this further out. I thought this guy would be able to move a little bit horizontally either way, but I guess it does not. So this is my review of this light, and I actually am going to open up another one of these guys, which is the one that is 3 lights. So that'll be my other video.